I'm working on a dryer, and I'm not sure how this is going to work out. But I changed I ordered a new thermistor for it, and I'm going to check and see the difference of the old thermistor compared to the new one. This is the old thermistor, and I'm going to test the leads. I'm going to test the leads here and see where you can see the resistance that I'm getting on here. Alright, that's the old resistor. You can see the resistance I'm getting, about 4.5 times 1K. I believe, or yeah, that's around 7 times 1K. This is the new one, and this is the new one here. And you can see the resistance on this. The resistance is much higher. So I'm hoping this is going to be my problem in fixing this dryer. We'll see what happens. Alright. Get back to you after I fix it. Oh, by the way, that's where it mounts. About 3 feet, 2.5 feet, about 3 feet into this dryer. I have to climb in there to get to it. Alright, back. Alright, I installed that part, and I turned the gas back on, and as you can see, I reset the timer for the dryer, and now all we need to do is hit the start button. When I hit the start button here, the drum should turn, and the igniter should make a sparking sound, and the burner here, took my finger off the thing, and the burner here should light. Now, I can't show you pushing my button and the burner at the same time. Well, what we're going to do is, I showed you where the button is. Now I'm going to push the button, the drum should turn, and the burner and igniter should light. So let's see what happens here. Ready? Cross your fingers and go. Up. Whoosh! Oh, about that, huh? I'll tell you what. I don't know. I amaze myself sometimes. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. Through this hole. Dryer, test, fire in the hose. Whee! And one more time. Dryer, test. Ready, go. Whee! Hey baby, I love it. I love it. Fire in the hose. Yeah, look at that fire. Such a lovely fire. Okay, and there is a dryer that has been repaired.